Onny, I came to you because I know my husband is close to you. He comes to your shop all the time. See, I am tired of marrying Obadiah. I am tired. He keeps getting worse by the day. I just want to take my bag and leave. I don't want to get married to him anymore.
No. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. Obadiah is my customer. But he's very mad. See, marriage is not the bed of roses, so you have to endure and pray so that your husband will change. See, anytime he comes to my shop, I will make sure I talk to him.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you. Please help me talk to him.
I will.
I don't understand him anymore. He even said he's going to report me to his elders. That was what he said. Please help me talk to him because I am tired. I am tired though. I am tired.
Hi. Has he gotten to that?
Yes.
Elders?
Yes.
Don't cry. Listen. Anything they say there, don't talk. Do not utter a word. Just keep silent. Did you hear me?
Okay.
Have you spoken to your mother about this?
I have.
Just don't worry. I will talk to Obadiah, eh?
Thank you.
Just pray and endure. Everything will be fine, okay?
I've been praying. Thank you. Please
now.
help me talk to him.
I will talk to him.
Thank you.
I will.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
It's not easy. It is not easy.
Thank you.
Try. Cat. Small.
Obadiah. Obadiah welu ya nwayo n'ije fule buka ije luwa dogu Obadiah welu ya nwayo mgbe ọbụna na-anụ olu gị ọsọ gị ka bịa alụ abịa n'ụlọ ị na-ekwu abịa n'ama onye nsogbu ebe ọbụna ọsọ gị ezigbo afa gị bụ ọbata osu Obadiah wekwaliju ụwa nwayo Obadiah o Obadiah onye nsogbu ọbata osu
You're welcome.
Please come and carry these bags now. Eh? Do you expect me to carry them by myself? I'm very tired, Biko. Come and carry them inside. Hi. One, sis, so be very fast, please. Carry the bags. Oh. Bia, don't go that way. Don't carry my bag and pass there. It's not safe. Go from the backyard, Biko. Ha. Don't carry my bag and pass this place.
Have you seen it? This is what she has turned my husband into. Okwi, carry bag. Okwi, fetch water. Okwi, do this. When is this madness going to stop? When? This is so heartbreaking. In my own husband's house.
Nay, it will be fine. Like I said, don't give up. You are not giving up now. Don't allow her to take over your husband from you, okay?
She has taken over.
Man, then come and see me off. Stop crying. Stop.
I'm not crying.
Stop.
Oh, kissy,
especially for us. For you.
Hey. Obim. This one is different. It's not my birthday, it's not your birthday. What are we celebrating now?
Love.
Oh.
We're celebrating our love because it's worth celebrating.
I love you.
Love you too.
Okwi. Okwi. Please come and do something for me.
Karen, are you out of your mind? Can't you see I'm eating with my husband? What is this?
Are you coming or not?
Please wait. Let me finish
Baby,
my
please
food.
concentrate. I love you. Eat it to get cold, please. But
let me attend to her first.
baby, hold on. You have to.
No, let me attend to her first. We'll be back soon. Let me attend to her first. We'll be back. Yeah? Crying will not solve this, you know. Come on now. Forget these crocodile tears. She knows what she's doing. She's crying. Forget this thing. I know you. Your crying cannot touch me. About that. Hey, Egbe.
Oh, my dear, it's okay. We are here to solve this matter once and for all.
Pastor Ben,
Sir,
you have heard all what our brother said.
I heard him well, sir.
Is that true?
Not at all. Sir, the Bible says you must know the truth, and the truth shall always set you free. All he said is nothing but lies, pure lies. Adultery, holistically, is an abomination in the presence of the living God I serve, even before humanity. So I can't find myself committing such odorous act. Everybody in this village know I am a respected pastor. Therefore, I can never see myself committing such a sin. I will never.
Don't say everybody. Don't say everybody in the whole village. Say, minus up there. Every other person, no. Because I don't know. So, minus some in the case.
Obadiah.
What a liar.
Obadiah.
I'm not going to the pastor and says.
Obadiah, I will leave this place. If you don't want to keep quiet, let's hear this man of God out.
Listen what Ekwe is saying. Let's allow him to defend himself. Pastor is here.
All right. Pastor, continue your answer.
The Bible says, by your words you'll be saved, and by your words you'll be condemned. Therefore, I advise you guard your utterances before you invite the wrath of God upon you. Brothers, Sister Blessing here is one of the numerous sisters I frequently visit for prayers because of her condition. As usual, I visited, but was surprised to see Brother Badai accusing me of a sin I never had intention of committing. I am a married man. I have my wife at home. So how can I come here to convert her wife to be mine?
Oh. I don't like this thing. Why is he calling me brother? Are you his brother? Why is he calling me brother? Brother. I'm not brother, I'm not your brother. Please. Come on now. Were you not people that said I should, after the death of my father, I should go and get married on time?
Yes.
We said so.
And I married a young girl. Tell me what numerous girls. My young wife is part of the numerous girls. Now he wants to pray for fruit of the womb. Are we lacking fruit of the womb? Don't we have mangoes here? Why is he disturbing my wife? Next thing, he said that he wants to pray for. When I caught them red-handed, he said that he wants to pray for my wife. Stop calling me your brother. I'm not your brother.
Brother Badaya, is it bad thing for a pastor to pray together with your wife?
It is not bad thing, but touching is bad thing. Why is he touching? The next thing he's calling me brother. My name is Obadiah. If you want to make it biblical, call me Obadiah chapter 1. Am I dying tomorrow? Okay. I'm not dying tomorrow. She will conceive. pastor should go. So let him continue his life.
So this is it. Okudili brought in another woman because I'm yet to give him a child. I cannot continue like this. I cannot continue like this. Something has to be done. Something has to be done. I can't take this shame. I can't take this shame.
Adulterous pastor, that is what you are. You see, I'm going to make this village, all of them to know who you are. Your real color will come out. You will see.
May God forgive you for you do not know what you're doing.
Okay.
Father, forgive him for he's a lost sinner.
Mother, forgive him because he's a found sinner.
Know how you talk to him,
Obeda,
knowing that he is a man of God.
Obeda, be thankful to God. If it were those years I used to be a radical pastor, I would have prayed and this earth will open up and swallow you up because you deserve it.
Please forgive him.
What happened to your rascality? You have sold it in the market. You have sold it to women. They have sapped your power. You don't even have power again. You see? You think I don't know your plan with the village? You came to this village to duplicate yourself in all the families.
Hey.
And I refuse you. You will not duplicate yourself here. I am very young. I am very vibrant. You cannot impregnate my wife. So stop. See, and you. Any that will see you one foot close to that church or close to this man of God. And I will take you to him. You live with him.
And I will wholeheartedly accept her and treat her well. And I will make sure she lacks nothing absolutely.
What she say?
I told you that he's targeting my wife. Get out now, let me break your head.
Pastor,
I'm sorry.
Pastor, sorry.
You're doing yourself. You're doing
Pastor!
Sorry. You're doing yourself. You're telling me, come on now. Are you going? You are going.
Listen. Don't try my patience. You understand me? Do not try my patience. Don't take my silence for weakness. Do not try my patience. I'm warning you right now. Don't take my silence for weakness. Don't try my patience. Don't push
You
the rock.
know if I go to the police now, they will arrest you. And you spend the rest of your life in jail. With hard labor. That's if you don't die by hanging.
You're evil. You understand me? You're evil. Now I know why your husband wanted to kill you that night. I should have allowed him do his bidding. I should have allowed him kill you. Did you just hit me? No, did you just hit me? Did you just... Now listen here. Listen here. You understand me? Listen to me. I won't hesitate to kill you. You understand? I will not hesitate to kill you. We had a deal. You understand? You and I had a deal. You will respect my marriage because I'm a married man. You will respect that lady in there because she's my wife. You will not destroy my home. Do you understand me? You will not. Do not push your luck. I'm telling you right now. Do not.
You kill my husband and you expect to be happy? Is that what you want? Never, it will never happen. You want to move on like nothing happened. You want to hold hands with your wife and be happy. If I'm not happy, you will never be happy. I will never let it happen. And I'm going to the police to make a proper report.
Come back. It's okay. It's okay. You're raising your voice. Calm down, okay? I'm sorry for doing that. It's okay. Which one is police? For you too now. Help me. Help me.
So, this is it. This is
what you're doing to me because I don't have a child yet. It's fine. No problems. Continue. Ride on. Okwi. Dikeh. Ride on. Alone.
It's not like this.
Okudele. Come back here. Go to police. Police!
Ma, which one is police again now? Which one is police again now? Please let me just talk to my wife now. Let me talk to my wife now.
Police!
Why are you like this now? Which one is police now? Please let me talk to my wife now. Let me just talk to my wife, please. Please, eh? Please.
Police!
Please now, I beg in the name of God. Let me talk to my wife now. Why are you like this now? Please don't destroy my home now. Don't destroy my home now. Please, I beg you. I beg you now. Please now. Have mercy now. You go to church now. Beg like this. Let's talk to my wife.
Caroline, please now be fast. We started dressing up at the same time. What's this you putting on? What are you wearing? A married woman? Listen, you can't wear this and follow me out. You must go inside now and change into something better. This is inappropriate for a married woman like you to wear. Go inside now and change into something decent as a married woman.
Hey, Abuchi, why do you hate it when I look good and feel good? Why? What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Other married women wear things worse than this.
You are not other married women. You are my wife. And I insist you go in there and change this. It is too revealing for a married woman. Go inside there and change into something more appropriate. I don't know what you're trying to achieve by wearing this, revealing every curve in your body.
I hope you're not trying to insinuate...
I'm not insinuating anything, damn you. I'm your husband. I don't like what you're wearing, and I will say now, and go inside and change and don't argue with me. Because if you do not, you will sit the other side of me right now. Rubbish! How dare you? Look at what fashion has caused. My wife has come over our women. Nonsense. Rubbish. Be fast now. I'm running late. Oh. Baby, you are hot. Can't you see this? This is better. Can't you see it?
Abuchi, you're so selfish. You're just selfish and self-centered, and you don't think about any other person but yourself.
Baby, that's because I'm protecting you.
Protecting me? From what? Abuchi? From who exactly? If not for your own personal selfish interests. All you want to do is just enslave me. Practically control everything I do, everything I eat, wherever I go, everything.
That is because I love you.
Stop talking nonsense, Abuchi. This is not love. Being overprotected is not love.
Okay. But I want to tell you that you are looking elegant. Shall we?
Makalelu sajo wani kege kome wane
You look amazing.
As always.
You see, this is how I want you to be looking for me at home. Baby, I'm hungry. What did you cook?
We don't cook anything yet, though.
Eh?
Nothing.
Why? Then what have you been doing at home all day? What is this?
Oh, this is for my weight loss. It's a weight loss regimen. All these herbs will help my weight loss plan.
You want to lose weight? Am I complaining? I'm not complaining. Caroline, we are yet to have children. And you are busy taking weight loss tea and herbs. And now, this?
See, Abuchi, you can call it any name you want. I don't care. But this does not have anything to do with us not being able to have kids. Biko, why come and spoil it for me?
Really? Well, I don't know why you're doing this. I don't know who you're doing this for. I don't know the reason for you to be doing this. You want to slim down for who? Am I complaining?
How can you complain? You can never complain now. Because this is what you want. You want me to be unattractive and undesirable. You want me to be the fattest looking person in this world. You want me to be the biggest woman. So I don't look slim. Like all those girls you chase after outside. I don't blame you now. Are you complaining? How can you complain? How can you complain? Are you ever happy when I feel good and look good? You can never be happy.
Caroline, you accuse me of chasing women outside?
You are not complaining. How can you complain? That's what you want now. You want the whole world to leave me for you. So that I'll be here, fat and destroyed, and be only Abuchi's property. That's the only way you can have peace of mind. Can't stand a good-looking woman. You don't ever Sorum Kobon. I should not do weight loss. So that I will destroy. That's what you've always wanted now. Obidaya, I am fed up already with Abuchi's behavior. He finds fault in anything I do, down to what I wear and eat. I can't take this anymore. I think Abuchi's plan is just to frustrate me in the name of marriage. I can't take it. You need to come and speak to him. What he wants to do is to enslave me. I am too young for this and I will not take it. I will not fall into depression because of this marriage.
Ewo ichowinu wani leru anya gi maka na ilu sajo wani nke ga-ekpome nwanne m ichowinu wani leru anya gi.
She may be your sister. She is my wife. She's obligated to doing whatever I ask her to do.
You are married to her. She's not your slave. Allow her to dress anyhow she likes. She has been wearing this thing even in the village. Why will she marry you now? You want her to stop it? Never!
Can you hear yourself speak? I should allow my wife to dress indecently to work. And you are her elder brother. I'm ashamed of you. I am disappointed in you. Anyway, I know what to do. I am going to stop her from going to that work. I'm going to stop her from working. After all, I have enough to take care of us.
You cannot do that. Do you hear me, Abuchi? You cannot do that. You can't lock me up in this house. I have bills to pay. I have responsibilities to take care of. So I will not stop working.
She cannot stop working. No. You will not stop her from working. Come on, Abraham. What is all this? We need that money. Don't stop work.
No, I will not stop.
Don't stop work.
Never.
I'm disappointed at you. Can you imagine? Well, Caroline, I think then you rather choose between this marriage and your brother. I think, better still, you go and stay with him permanently.
No problem.
Look at you. Instead of you to advise your kid sister not to be going naked to work, you are here supporting her just because of the little money that she gives to you. You refuse to tell her the truth. I am ashamed of you. You are not worthy to be called a man. Let me ask you a question. Will you allow your wife to wear such thing?
If I have money to buy it for my wife, then she can wear it. Yes. I cannot buy clothes for her and she will keep it at home. Eh? If she wants to walk naked, let her with her nakedness. Let her naked. Please, she's not living anywhere. She must stay in this house. Never!
And don't insult my brother, please. Don't insult my brother. You paid my bride price to him. So don't insult him.
I'm taking her. I will take her. Don't beg me. If I start now, don't beg me. But you see this house, she will not leave this house. Never! You will not leave the house.
But you need to swallow your pride sometimes. Swallow it. You need to apologize to Obadiah. You were rude to him. Yes, you disrespected him. Apologize to Obadiah.
Really?
Yes.
I should apologize to your brother. God. I disrespected your brother and should apologize to him. That's what's coming from you. Do you know you're crazy? You are mad. In fact, you have gone insane. You stay here without no shame. That I should apologize to your brother for what? Your brother should be the one apologizing to me with a gift, saying that he's very sorry for coming to my house to insult me. He was the one actually that disrespected me in my house. And wow, Caroline,
it's just sad. Your pride will be the end of you. You're so full of yourself. It's fear.
you mean you are not even sorry for what you just said to me now? You are not apologizing to me? God, you don't have no shame. Wow. You know what? It's a hard decision, and I must make it right now. I will never complain to anyone about your activities anymore.
It's you.
I will never do that again.
That would be nice. That would
Now,
be very nice.
I tell you, there are limits to what I can take. I will not. I repeat, I am the only son of my parent. I will not be alive and let you take me to my early grave as a result of your activities. I hope you know what that statement means. Good night.
Wait, Abuchi. No, wait. Are you trying in any way to accuse me of infidelity? Eh? My family must hear this. Everybody must hear this. I am going to tell Obadiah. I am going to tell him. I will not let this slide. You see what you do? You see what you do? You don't just filter your words. You open your mouth and you say anything you like to me. You see it? Accusing me. Me? You are accusing me of infidelity. Boldly to my face. So what do?
Wait for
me, let me join you in the car.
Sorry, I don't have the time. I'm already late for an appointment.
Wait, hold on.
Beauty. I can't even help it than to notice your beauty.
Thank you. But I'm a married woman.
But I can't even notice any ring on those beautiful fingers of yours. But that's by the way. I'm Mavis by name. I'm based in Germany. But I'm here now for vacation. Can I have a drink with you? It's just a harmless drink. I won't bite you. Please, can I have your contact?
Oh my God, you're so funny. I can't remember the last time I laughed this hard.
It's okay. That's the reason why I'm here, to make a pretty girl like you happy. And I promise to do more.
Thank you.
You know, I understand how you feel. I was once married to a lady who doesn't deserve my love.
Tell me about it.
But I believe so much that fate has brought us together for us to be happy again. To be honest with you, we can be happy if we choose to. I don't care if you're married or not. I'm telling you, all I want is your love, please.
I can't.
You can. You can, honestly, you can, we can. I promise to make you happy as long as we are living. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What's the food we ordered?
I don't even know what
Tell them. Get your order, please. I really can't talk much now, eh? My husband is home. I just wanted to hear your voice and know how you're doing. Yeah.
And who was that?
I mean, is this what you do now? Suspect me and monitor my calls? Please don't stress me. If you're going to stress me in this marriage, let me just leave this place for you. If staying here makes you uncomfortable, I will just leave peacefully.
Really?
Stress somebody for marriage.
Stress you in the name of marriage? I heard everything. Now you want to leave the marriage, isn't it? Good. But always watch what you do. Watch your back. Watch your modus operandi, because I'm monitoring you. Make sure you do not make a mistake, because if you do...
Abuchi, please. You're stressing me. Excuse me.
Akonye wetalo. My wife now tells me in my house that I am stressing her. Can you hear that? Don't go, Maga. Sissy no water, we go. Hey. Where are you going dressed this way? This is Saturday.
I'm going for a colleague's birthday party.
And who is this your mysterious colleague that I don't know? And how come you decided to go for the party and I'm just knowing now?
Abuchi, you do not know all my colleagues. I never actually wanted to go for this party. I just changed my mind last minute. Plus, I'm an adult and I can take care of myself. You don't have to worry about me.
I worry less.
I wish I can have you all to myself. You are all I wanted in a woman. Honestly, I love you so much.
You know, I've just known you for a few days, but it feels like I've known you all my life. Honestly, I don't want to ever lose you. I don't want to wake up from this dream.
This isn't just a dream, it's a reality. I love you so much.
Oh gosh, we have to go upstairs because I don't want to go home late. My husband will soon start calling me.
Okay, it's not a problem.
Right.
Fast one.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Man in a hotel room. Why?
It's not what you think. It's
Caroline, who is this man?
I can explain. It's not what happened. It's not even how you are thinking about it. It's not like that.
I heard everything. I heard all that he said. How both of you were so happy in each other's arms, and how you also agreed to see tomorrow morning.
It's not how you are thinking about it. If I can just explain, you understand. It's not like that. Let me just explain.
Why? Caroline, why?
Not like that. Let me just explain.
Carol,
Explain. You understand? No.
Caroline!
About this thing now. Please say something. You're not saying anything. Please now beat me.
Wow, sweetheart. Sweetheart, please make yourself comfortable, okay?
The place is nice.
Thank you. You like it?
Yeah.
What would you want to drink?
Anything cool.
Anything cold.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. Let me get it for you. Just make yourself comfortable.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Alright, yeah.
Bianne, who are you?
Oh, Mabuchi's friend.
Oh, Abuchi's friend. And you foolishly followed him into his matrimonial home. Do you not have any shame or regard for marriage? Eh? Are you not supposed to keep your dirty, stupid games outside? And you chose to bring it into my house? Okay? You dirty thing.
Oh, you are his wife. Well, I did not bring myself into this house. Abuchi brought me. Besides, overtaking is allowed.
Oh, Piano. Overtaking, right? You want to overtake? Cool, Lucia down. You will fail break. If you break, okay, fail. You will fail break, I promise you.
Hey! Uko bendara kambe. Hey! Bendara kambe.
Away.
Who is your visitor? You and your guest. Both of you are stupid.
I will kill you this house.
You will kill yourself.
Leave my house for me. If you don't want to live alive, you will live as a dead body.
It's you, they will carry a body back.
I will no longer tolerate your mannerless behavior in this house. You will get out of this house.
You are not ashamed of yourself.
You.
If you don't make wagi, you are not ashamed of yourself.
Adulterer. Shameless woman.
Shameless man.
Shameless woman. You want to hit me, mother? Since you don't want to go, you will go out of this house and dead. I will no longer tolerate your mannerless behavior in this house. Are you hearing me? You get that up. Wait.
Because I confronted the lady they brought into our matrimonial home.
Brother, Abucha has really passed this time around. Just imagine sister's body. Did she fall from the sky? Look at her hand. What kind of thing is this? Brother, you really need to go and talk to that guy. You need to go and talk to him. Since that did not fall from the sky now, why will he be beating her every time? As if she doesn't have anybody.
Okay. I've heard you, Chief Judge. She did not fall from the sky. She was uprooted. Plan for yourself. I should go and do something. Akoba Jiriki, go and do something. And you are here. Caroline, you have to tell us the truth. Simple truth. Nothing but the truth. Absolute truth.
What truth are you talking about?
Brother, you are seeing the truth staring at you in your face. Look at her face. See her body. And you're still asking her for the truth. Which other truth do you want? Brother, what is wrong with you? What kind of woman being are you now?
The other truth.
You're looking at her and you're still asking her to tell you the truth.
I don't keep on no phone. Tell us the truth. She must tell us the truth. I say the whole truth is there staring at me. If the truth is staring at me, I'm not staring at the truth. She has to tell us the truth. Because every marriage has misunderstanding. She may be going out and she fall from the staircase and broke her hand. And if you come and say it's the husband that beat her.
She broke her hand and broke her face too, Abi.
This is too much. Just look at your sister. It's too much.
Are you going to judge the case? If you judge the case, I will leave it for you. People should shut up. Shut up or go inside.
Come and carry me in now.
This is too much now. Look at your sister.
You're not going inside.
She's not. Kozara, don't go anywhere. What's that?
Caroline, you have to go. You have to go back to your husband's house.
I am not going anywhere. I am back for good.
You are back for good? It's not in this house.
Obadiah, please. At least let us spend the night over here.
Which night?
You can't send her back.
There is no night.
Brother, let me tell you, sister is not going anywhere. This is her house. Sister is not going anywhere.
But,
sister is not going anywhere.
Obadiah,
You'll be judging rubbish.
Let her sleep over tonight. It won't cost us anything. She's not going anywhere.
Please, you have to go before Chawakadacha. You have to go.
She's not going anywhere.
Why would she go anywhere? Don't you know that marriage has challenges? You and I are fighting every day. Have you left? Why don't you go back to
So you call this thing between us marriage? See, let me not slap you in the presence of your sister. Let me just let me respect myself and leave.
It's not marriage, rematch.
Stupid man.
Very soon it will be your turn to go. Your people will send you back. Before Okada will close. You don't have to sleep here. Go back to your husband's house. First thing tomorrow, I'll go and see his parents and warn them. Caroline, Ijirona? Go back to your husband's house. I will carry this here and go and return.
And you refuse to open the door for me.
You ask me questions. In my house. You are even abusing me on top of the question.
This is my house too. Abuchi, this house is also my house. For Christ's sake, I am properly married to you. Stop treating me like a girl that ran after you, Biko.
Okay. Wife. Officially, I no marry again. I am no longer interested in this hair that you put me call marriage. Go look for all those small boys. Marry them.
Abuchi, I don't know.
I don't want to marry again. First, why are you even in this house?
I don't know.
Why are you here?
I'm in my husband's house. If you're not comfortable with me being here, you can go to your father's house. What is wrong with you?
Father's house? Is this your father's house?
It's my husband's house.
Am I not your father?
No, you're my husband, and I'm in my husband's house.
So,
and if you're not comfortable, you can go to your father's house.
Okay.
Abuchi,
I've told you now. I've demarried you. I don't want to marry again. Go and look for a husband. Am I the only man on earth? I don't marry again. Now leave me alone. Should I kill myself for you before you know that I am not interested in this thing that you call body again? Go sell it. Sell it.
Abuchi.
Is it my boss?
Abuchi.
Mga.
Abuchi, when are you got period here? When are you got period outside here? Come out, let me enter this house now.
Enter which house? No. Did you see? Look at violent woman. Look at you. Gavo. See, you are begging with style. Idiot. Women, listen to your husbands. No.
Abuchi, I made food.
Caroline, I'm eating food. Wicked woman. You want to kill me, Abby? But I'm smarter. You're serving me poison. You made food. You think you're smart. I'm 2 times smarter than you are. You want to poison me to die so that you and that your stupid brother will take over my business and money. That's why you serve this poison. Think you're smart? I am 2 times smarter.
Abuchi, I'm not evil. I cannot kill my own husband. I made food for you.
There's the food. It was not poisoned. Taste it now. Oh! You don't want to taste the food again? Okay. How much? Okay. Same details? Okay, you'll see it by tomorrow. Okay then. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Can we talk?
About what?
Abuchi, I just want us back. I miss us. The way we used to be. How strong our love was. The memories we shared.
Carolyn, please go straight to the point. I was busy before you came in.
Abuchi, I know if we work on this, we can go back to the way we used to be. We can go back to being happy and loving each other so strongly. We can get it all back. Please. Please.
Can I tell you the truth? Can I tell you the truth? Things can never be the same between us ever again.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Please.
I trusted you. But you betrayed my trust. I loved you like no other. What did you do? You trashed my love. Caroline. I was ready to do anything for you. I was ready to lose all just to gain you because you were the only thing that mattered to me then. I was ready to go hungry. I was ready to starve to death just for you to see food to eat.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. Okay?
No. That wasn't a mistake. At all.
What?
That is what you have always wanted. You have always wanted to be free. You have always wanted to be a single woman, free to do the things that you want to do.
No, that's not true. I'm sorry. Abuchi, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, Abuchi, please, I'm sorry.
I have forgiven.
I'm sorry.
Caroline, you are free to do what you always wanted to do.
Please.
Caroline, you killed the veins of love inside me. You betrayed me. You shattered me. You made me a monster.
I'm sorry.
Caroline,
I'm sorry.
just ahead and live the kind of life you want to live. Because that is what you have always wanted to do. You want to live like a student. You want to dress anyhow you want to dress. You want people to see your beautiful cars because you are beautiful. Yes, you are beautiful, no doubt about that.
I don't want that. Please.
I ask you, are you the only beautiful one on earth?
Please, let's go back to how we used to be, please. Abuchi, please, I'm begging you. Please.
Caroline, go ahead.
Please. Please. Please forgive me. Please.
I wish I could love you again. I wish.
Right there. Follow me. You are going back to your husband's house. Oh, come here, neighbor. Come and follow your husband and go.
Mimi, I don't want to go anywhere. Leave me alone.
Huh? You want to come and stay here? Who will be cooking for your husband? For no time, huh? You have to go. If you are here, how will I make money? My in-law, you did not come with your car.
No, as I was coming, my car developed fault, so I had to leave it on the road and walk down here so that I won't late. You know, it's getting late.
Oh, I don't want to go. Can't you just leave me alone?
You have to go. You have to go. Okay. Well, let's go. Let's go.
Sweetheart, let's go. Okay. Stop frowning. You should be happy.
Oh yeah, move it.
No. Easy.
Okay.
Sweetheart, let's go.
Go. You want to come back here? Can you better relax? Yeah. How will I succeed? Move. Oh yeah, move.